Hey Robin, this is Melissa with Lady Boss Leads. I wanted to take a quick minute and shoot over this video. Basically, I'm just going to go through your website and do an audit and show you what's holding you back from getting on the top of the Google search page and what you can do today to bring you the most value and start outranking your competitors online. So going through your website, it looks like that it is still under construction, which is perfect. I'm going to show you some ways that you can really create your website and add some content and backlinks and things like that in order to start outranking your competitors and get some traffic coming in directly through your website. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is content. So when someone searches for, say, home remodel Tampa, Florida, Google has what's called crawlers, and they crawl the internet searching and ranking those results. They're looking for the keywords and what your site should be found for. Things like the services that you offer and what areas you serve. And one thing I can tell you about Google is they love content. So you want to put a minimum of 1,500 words of content on your homepage, using those keywords at a minimum of 10 to 15 times, ideally. So we would go and do a search for kitchen remodel Tampa, Florida. All these listings up here are Google ads. So these companies are paying per click. And this is a good way if you need traffic coming in immediately and super fast. If you scroll down a little bit, this is called the Map Pack. These are all companies that have a Google My Business page. And ideally, you want to be in the top 3 of these because people aren't going to want to scroll to the next page to find a contractor. They're really going to choose one of these top guys and look at the reviews, and they're going to get all of the phone calls because they're super easy to be found. And if you keep scrolling past this, these are called the organic listings. Ideally, again, you want to be in the top 3 of these as well, at least on the first page, so people don't have to scroll to the next page in order to find you. So Lynn Ross Remodeling, it looks like he's number 1 in the organics. Let's go take a look at his website. So when you look at his site, it looks really nice. The layout is great, looks very professional. And he has a decent amount of content on his page. So that's some of the reason why he's listing first in that Google search engine. So when we go over here, obviously content is only one part of why they're ranking so well. I use this program called Ahrefs, and it goes in and analyzes the website. And it tells you on the back end and just lets you know what you're up against and what you need to do in order to outrank them. So this is a UR and a DR rating. So a UR is basically how much Google trusts your site, and a DR is how powerful your site is. And these numbers are typically raised by backlinks. And you're probably wondering what the heck a backlink is. So a backlink is any website, article, or blog that's referring people back to your site. Google sees it as a popularity contest. The more people that are referencing your website URL, the more Google sees your site as being powerful and trustworthy. So as you can see here, they have 186 backlinks coming from 78 referring domains. And of those domains, 51 of those are super powerful. So backlinks are not all created equal. You want to grab backlinks that are coming from powerful sites relevant to your service and the areas that you serve. You don't want it coming from spammy sites that have nothing to do with your scope of work. That's actually going to be a negative impact on you if you do that. So they have 511 keywords on their site, and they have over 500 people seeing their site per month. If we go and look at their keywords, so this volume column here, this is how many times this specific keyword is being searched per month according to Google. So you can see kitchen remodeling Tampa, that's being searched 300 times a month. Kitchen remodel Tampa, 200 times a month. Home remodeling Tampa, 90 times a month. Let's see here, remodel Tampa, 50 times. Remodeling Tampa, 50 times. So that's a lot of the reason why they're ranking so well, because they have all of these keywords that have high search volumes listed on their site. All right, well, Robin, I hope that you found this helpful and you can implement some of these strategies once you get your website up and running. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions at all and leave me some feedback. I look forward to speaking to you soon. Have a great night.